Britain needed airplanes. They wanted P-40s built on their license. But the Americans said, you know, we can build you something better. And there he is. The sound of freedom back in the 1940s during World War II. Scott wants you to listen to this airplane, and we're going to let him do just that. Powered by a the engine would only live for 5 minutes. Six airplanes with drop tanks took our bombers all the way to Berlin and back. It was truly the Cadillac of the skies. Across here at about 300 miles an hour, a lot faster than the 40. Initially contacted Ford, but Ford said, nah, I don't think so. However, Rolls-Royce was building a lot of engines, but they couldn't build enough. So Packard took over. Over 15,000 Mustangs were built. There's still about 100, 120 of them flying to this day. If you were to find yourself a pristine, freshly restored P-51 Mustang, you are talking anywhere from $3 to $5 million. when the airplane is at Airshow Center is because there will come a day when all of these magnificent World War II aircraft will be on the ground forever. But in the meantime, coming across, check this out. P-25 Dixon. This is Camp Cheeto. Remember me telling you about that P-40? There she is, the P-44. That airplane was made in English by Claire Chanel. And the fly.